Chinese EVs. Now, this is something pretty interesting because the news coming out of these guys is pretty impressive. By the way, pretty impressive. Cash to debt, you know what it is? $14 billion. They are very well supplied with cash right now. There's a lot of shorts still, 4 to 5%. That doesn't sound huge, but that's big enough. And I'll tell you what, the whole storyline, it seems today, is this whole production move that they have made. Year over year, up 17%. That's something that I think has probably blown a lot of people away, is how aggressive they have stayed. Now, with these interest rate cuts, maybe there's opportunities for people, and I think that's what they're playing off of. You can see over at NIO, you see that stock also going to the upside. XPEV is looking right now, about 8 or 9%, I think, to the upside, having a really nice day. I think this is one of those names where the options really do tell a great story. And we've seen call buying consistently in this name and just looking for the next move, the next move, the next move. Well, they're getting a pretty daggone good, nice move today. Is it anywhere near the 52-week highs? No, it's about halfway there. So there's plenty of room, Mark, if they can get some more positive news stories coming out for XPEV.
Yeah, I mean, listen, definitely benefiting from the catalyst of the cut, right? The Chinese central bank cut that you referenced. And this really is a Chinese market story where they are a pretty significant competitor, and in some instances, just out and out eating Tesla's lunch, right? I mean, they're a model, I forget what the name of this particular car is, but competes with the Model 3, significantly cheaper than the Model 3. And look, the thing I like about this, and as you probably know, Pete, takes a lot for me to like EV stories, particularly Chinese EV stories, is, to your point, the cash on the balance sheet. Because at the end of the day, the name of the game in the EV space, by and large, in my humble opinion, is having the ability to have enough cash to get to the point of having enough vehicles out, get to scale, and be competitive. I don't see quite the same outlook in the United States, but we're going to get into that in a later segment.